Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Raven clan in Northgard. We will begin by discussing your crucial early game strategy. Your initial focus should be on efficient scouting to uncover vital resources and potential expansion areas. Simultaneously, ensure a steady supply of food and wood to support your growing population. Don't forget to recruit your first mercenaries quickly. They are key to your unique early game advantages and map control. Moving into the mid-game, the Raven clan truly shines with its raiding mechanics. Deploy your mercenaries to raid enemy coastal territories, generating valuable gold and lore. Establish a robust trading post to further bolster your gold income, which is essential for funding your raids and expansions. Prioritize lore upgrades that amplify your raiding efficiency and economic growth, ensuring a strong foundation for future dominance. As you transition into the late game, your objective is clear: secure victory. Expand your territory to encompass vital strategic locations and abundant resource zones. Develop a formidable military, integrating your mercenaries with other powerful units to overwhelm opponents. Concentrate on your chosen victory path, be it military domination or a fame victory, while diligently defending your established borders and crucial structures against any enemy threats. To truly master the Raven clan, remember these advanced tactics. Aggressive scouting is paramount for identifying enemy vulnerabilities and critical resource spots. Meticulously manage your clan's happiness to ensure optimal production and rapid population expansion. Strategically time your mercenary raids to inflict maximum disruption on enemy economies and military preparations. Always adapt your approach, considering the unique map features and the specific clans your adversaries are playing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.